2009 Mazda cx9 valve cover gasket replacement. So we have V6 3.5. We did bank one. Bank one is always against the firewall. So intake manifold needs to come off. We already replaced, that's the old one. So and we put back everything together. Intake manifold, the other side, and we are doing the bank 2, which is the radiator side. So let me show you something. If I put my screwdriver all the way here, you see that that's a lot of oils just accumulated down there in the spark plug housing. And if you look at the ignition coil, it's full of oil. So the best way is, last time they didn't replace that seal for the spark plug. It has to be replaced. Every time that you replace the valve cover gasket, you have to replace that seal for the spark plug and the grommets. Always. Always you have to do that. So now we don't want to take the spark plug off because all the oil is going to get inside the combustion chamber, and when you start the vehicle, it's going to make a lot of smoke. So we are going to put some kind of a spray cleaner and then blow it away with the air, and then take off that valve cover and replace the gasket along with the grommets in the screws and all tubes on the spark plugs. That's a quick guide. As you see, this side has been changed already. We already finished this side. We put back the intake manifold. We are doing this side. And again, it's always a good idea to replace this gasket for the VVT solenoid gasket, variable valve timing gasket. Always a good idea to do that. So, and that is it. There is a bunch of wiring harness. Just make sure you just put it aside and disconnect the ignition coils. Put them aside, take them off, and then replace the valve cover gasket. Make sure you clean it up before you put the new one back in there and put it back together. So this is the original bolt. It comes with the bushing, so this grommet come out, and you need to put the new grommet on it around the bushing and just push it back in there and tighten it. Do not over tighten it because the head gasket, the head cylinder is just aluminum, and you don't want to mess it up. Just don't go over 20 torque pound. That's what they're recommended by Ford and Mazda. Actually, this is the same engine with the Ford Explorer 3.5. Basically, that's how it works. Anyway, if this video is helpful for you guys, just give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe the channel to for the more video to come up, and our mission is just to give you as much information so you can save as much money as possible. Thank you guys again. See you next time.